Hello and welcome to this edition of Prime Networking's Do-It-Yourself series. In this video we're going to add RAM to a laptop. This is a relatively simple process that you can do yourself. The tricky part really involves getting the correct RAM module for your computer. Some things that you'll need are a small Phillips head screwdriver, an HP laptop, and the correct memory module. It's always a good idea to discharge any static electricity before doing any work inside your computer, and since I've already done that, we're going to get started. So the first thing you want to do is shut down your laptop, which we already have, and remove the power cord. You want to check your user's manual to see the location of your memory access door. This particular computer has two of them. One is on the bottom, and it's indicated by a little icon that looks like a memory chip. We're not going to open that one this evening because this particular computer also has one under the keyboard, and so that one's a little trickier to access, and that's what we want to show you today. And so the first thing we do to remove the keyboard is we have to remove the screws that hold the keyboard in place. This particular laptop has 3 screws that hold the computer or the keyboard in place, and the screws are also marked by a little icon that looks like a keyboard. So we're going to remove those screws. Then flip the laptop over and open the lid. This keyboard's held in place by tabs. You'll see the tabs all across the top of the keyboard. And to release the keyboard, we simply need to slide those tabs and then gently lift up on the keyboard. You'll see that it comes out relatively easily. You can lift it up. Now it is attached by a ribbon cable, and so you want to make sure that you don't pull too hard on that ribbon cable. We could completely move the keyboard out of the way if we wanted to, but really they give us just enough room to get under there, and so we're going to do that instead. Next, you want to take your RAM module, and as you look at the memory slot, you can see that there's really only one way that the module can go in. And so you want to slide the module in at a 45-degree angle. Gently slide it in, and it fits pretty easily. And then you want to rock it down gently. And what you're listening for is a little telltale click that it's in place. So we want to rock this down. That's a good sound. Okay, our memory module is in place. So we want to replace the keyboard the same way that we took it off. Sliding the tabs in. Sliding these tabs forward. Turning the laptop over and replacing our screws. Now when we start our computer back up, what we want to see is it begin to boot into our operating system. We may see that it indicates that the RAM, the amount of RAM the computer has changed. That's a good thing. Simply press F1 and allow it to go past it and continue booting. What you do not want to hear is a loud beeping sound. If you hit the power button and you hear a loud beeping sound, that indicates that either a memory module is not seated properly, or you may have ended up with a bad module. So let's go ahead and hit the power and see how we did. And you see here that our computer's booting, and so we had a successful upgrade. Thank you for watching this video.